emphasizes the importance of new perspectives over mere data accumulations in science. Suggests scientific discoveries are driven by possibility rather than utility. Highlights the superiority of reason over popular opinion in scientific pursuit. Contrast the generative nature of science with the stagnation of ignorance. Acknowledges the unexpected benefits that can arise from flawed scientific theories. Describes science as a self-correcting process, emphasizing the rigorous scrutiny new ideas face. Portrays science as a creative and humanistic endeavor, not just a cold pursuit of fact. Explains science as a process of grouping facts to form broader laws or conclusions. Uses a metaphor to describe the tragic rejections of beautiful theories by harsh facts. Highlights the ever-evolving nature of science, where no truth is final.